Hello everyone, how are you? In this video, I'm just showing you how to start recording your videos, how to start recording from your screen, your mic, your device sound, and your face webcam. So this is all just in this video. So the first we are using OBS Studio. If you wanna do this all works, the best choice is OBS Studio, which is completely free for everyone to use. You can start streaming, you can start recording, even you can connect a virtual camera, or it has also a studio mode you can see in here. And setting you have some things even more. You can start streaming from here. You will connect with the streaming services. In here you are gonna select the output of video. In here you have video everything. You can just if you have uh, change anything, you can just apply and click OK. But in here we have video capture. If we click on this, you can see nothing is recording from of my webcam. If we click it back again, it will start recording. It has also display capture, which is from of my uh, screen of my computer, and also it has audio from of my computer. It has mic. I'm talking now, and right now you're listening my voice and also my computer like this. If I click or anything else, so this is OBS Studio, and if you wanna see how you can install this, first you have to go on Microsoft Store. After that, search for, or you also easily can go to on the browser and search for OBS Studio. This is the official site. You can go and download for your Linux devices, Mac OS, or for your Windows, and you can see the every kind of explanation about it. So in here you can start downloading. Just you have to click get it from Microsoft and it will automatically download for you. So this was our today's tutorial about how to record your face webcam with screen recording, mic and everything's completely in one video. So I hope you enjoy and learn something. This was for beginners, and goodbye for right now.